What's up, guys? Today we're making peach cobbler. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. Today we are making peach cobbler. Now, this is not the traditional peach cobbler with the crust. This is going to kind of be a cakey peach cobbler. So easy to make. This uses fresh peaches. It uses fresh peaches, and you slice them up, and then you cook them a little bit, and then you make a batter, and it magically forms the top crust. It's kind of like a biscuit almost. It's so good and sweet and yummy. This is the recipe. Give it a try. Tell me what you think about it. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the channel. I'm glad to have you here. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you comment and enjoy the recipe. We're going to start with about 4 cups of peaches. Now, the first peach that I tried to slice was really hard to get apart. I hope they're all not like this. Yeah, that's the way they're supposed to pop apart. This first one, basically I just had to tear it up to get it apart. And then we just slice them. Not like that. You want pretty healthy chunks. You want to repeat that till you get about 4 cups. In a pot, we're going to put in 1 cup of white sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and our 4 cups of peaches, sliced peaches. We're going to turn that on medium. And also to that, just a dash of cinnamon, not much. Just a little bit. And basically you just want to bring this to a boil. And try not to throw sugar all over the stove. Oops, sorry. The peaches, once it starts to cook, the peaches are going to release their juices. It's going to be more of a syrup. Let me clean up my mess before that sugar sets. While your peaches are beginning to cook, we're going to take 1 stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup. We're going to put this in, you can use a metal, a 13x9 pan. I like Pyrex, so we throw it in there. We're going to put this in the oven and let it melt. We don't want it to brown, so to help it along, I'm just going to kind of chop up the butter. But like I said, keep an eye on it, don't let it burn. So we're going to throw that in the oven and let it melt. Peaches are beginning to get warm, and you can already see it's beginning to make a syrup. All we want to do is just bring that to the boil and get the peaches hot and the sugar to melt. Back to this side, we're going to mix our dry ingredients, which is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of white sugar, about a tablespoon of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Just not much, just a little bit. We're going to whisk that together. All right. look how much the syrup is still doing. We're beginning to steam, so we're getting pretty close to the boil. We're going to go ahead and mix our batter. Into our flour mix, we're going to put 1 cup of milk and stir this together. You just want to make sure all the lumps are gone. All right. Now, into our baking dish that has the melted butter, we're just going to pour the batter. Just like that. Do not stir it. You do not want to stir it. Our peaches have come to a boil, so we're going to take it. I just use a cup like this. Just kind of spread it over the top. It's too hard to pour if you just pour it in. Again, try not to stir. Do not mix it up. Make sure all that syrup goes in there. That is ready for the oven. This will bake in a 375-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes. All right, guys. So this has been about 40 minutes, not 45. Look at the steam coming out. It's browned so nice. All right, we're going to set that on top and let that cool. And this is what it looks like. The peaches sank to the bottom and the crust rose to the top. If you touch the crust, it's a crust. But let that cool quite a bit because this molten peach will burn you. So let it cool. All right, guys, let's cut a piece and see what it tastes like. Very cakey. Okay. You can smell the fresh peach. Now, we would usually serve this with milk poured over it. That's the way we did it in Tennessee. You could eat ice cream on it. You could put cream whip, Cool Whip, whatever. Let's taste. A little bit of peach, a little bit of crust. It's really good. The peach, the fresh peaches come through really well. It is sweet, it is rich, and that milk would help cut down the sweetness on it. Really good flavor. You could definitely throw in some nutmeg if you wanted to, but I like the hint of cinnamon. You guys give it a try and enjoy and have a good week.